asked me to look at this song by Jean Dawson called Antiwarp. I'm assuming it means warp correction. Anti-warp. Undoing warp. B. This is kind of like B7 almost. But actually what it is, it's your B note on the second fret. And then the D string you play at the first fret. That's like the third. And it's out of this B7 shape. Okay, but you're just playing the B and the third note. And then to get the E, you don't have to move. You just play it E and then that B on the second fret. Or second fret, A string. Gotta do a little muting with your pick hand. And then just when you switch from each chord you can let them ring, but then when you switch you gotta stop it ringing. And it goes into a little section where it's more strumming. You could go to like a B power chord. You're just kind of like playing a muted version of the chords. So you're not letting the strings ring out. You're kind of muting them with both hands. And then there's a little riff at the end. $14 on the high E, 11, 9, 7, switch to the B, 9, 7. This is that little home bass box, or what some people call the BB box. Yeah, I think did I mention the song is in the key of B? You got a B right here at the 7. This is major pentatonic. All right, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.